course, what's up, guys? We're here in the shop. What's got slack?
See the red cord?
The red cord?
Look out in front of the truck.
Alright. It's got a little bit right now. So right now we're doing big ghetto bass setup in this D50. What year is this? 1990. About to be bumping apart. Shelf right here. Check in the back. It's gonna be bumping good. We got ghetto rig amp set up in the floor. And adding extra bass with the Reese's. Now what in the world, where'd you pull another amp from?
Up under the seat.
Double amp setup.
Yep. And don't forget your little tuxedo, man.
Oh yeah, you gotta make sure you have the bobblehead so you know how much your bass is bumping. So we're getting battery charger plugged up because we don't feel like running the car in here while we're bumping. Now, we putting them in, or we're trying to leave them in the trunk, or in the bed?
We're gonna put them in.
We're gonna put them in. As you can tell, real professional wiring right here.
Trying to clean it up just a little bit.
Trying to clean it up just a little bit. I don't think it's gonna be a clean setup.
Got my DOT approved. Scotch tape.
As you can tell, we do it professional around here. God, I didn't know it made that noise on this side. That's got to be stopping fast. So we've attempted to tidy up the wiring in here, trying to roll it up so we can put the amps under the seat so we can fit more speakerage in the passenger seat, because there's no other room in the truck, so you just pile it all right here. Running 2 amps for all this big speaker power. So we're finishing up wiring, and it's looking like he's trying to splice 2 ground wires together and bolt it to the seat, unless we can find some other wiring over here. So that's going to be interesting, but we're about ready to hear this thing bump, so gonna be trying to finish this up pretty quick. So we got speakers going in finally. About to get them wired up. It's probably about to start getting loud.
Hopefully.
Hopefully. Oh, we got bass. Now we're getting some bass. Let's get the other one in.
Dang it.
Got one more to go in. Now, do you got my songs? Because these are about to tear this thing apart. got a couple pre-made songs that I got ready for some bassage.
For my people, I can change, nigga. I mean handcuffs.
Good
Time to
Lord.
man up. Put my hands up. Fuck you saying, bro? Cause I'm a black man in the phantom. Or is it cause my windows tinted car cost $300,000 and I blow endo? You mad cause your daughter fucked with me on spring break? Well, I'm a fucker till spring break.
And that's just one. We got another one. Oh my Lord. There we go.
All the women working naked.
So it ain't the cleanest audio in the world, but it gets pretty bad. This is what happens when you have these jank setups. It's questionable. God, dude, that little speaker's hitting over there.
Okay, I'm gonna close this door, by the way.
So we got the two hard hitting ones plugged up.
Turn it down.
I used to feel some things at times I
Oh, it's about to get bad.
and know that every time it's patient. I used to feel so
Get on into that is rough. So that's pretty good for I don't know, probably like 45-minute bass setup.
Hang on. This song, I hate this song, but trip too hard.
Oh,
Close the doors.
run that back turbo. You can get it.
Yeah, there's getting a little bit of rattle right there. That's all that matters is getting that rattle.
Do what?
So that's all that matters is getting the rattle. Close the door.
Hey, look from right here.
I don't know, the door does a pretty good job of silencing some of it.
Oh, phone screen cut out.
Oh.
Hang on. Here's a hard hit.
Go to the, right here, the speaker buster of all songs.
Watch out.
This one is bad.
Look.
And this is not even at the bass part of the song. Screens turning on. That's good. Well, that is the 45-minute base setup. That was pretty good. What do you think?
Pretty good.
We're rattling windows. I mean, rattling the whole truck. Tearing it up with some songs. And it still starts. Look at that.
You gonna plug it?
Well, I don't know where I'm going. Let me unplug it first, dummy. Alright. Setup complete. Hope y'all enjoyed that stupidity. We'll be back next week probably, working on the Thunderbird again. But until then, y'all got this. See you next video.